Liezel Marie. I am part of Antics Dance Performance. Alright, so what I'm going to teach you right over here is literally the basic whack, okay? Which is literally just like this. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to see me at this angle, 1, 2, 3, 4. The one thing about the history of whacking is that it means it's striking with a purpose. Whacking had a lot of energy, a lot of confidence, literally strike, strike, strike. And they also were very influenced by comic books, like the whack, the boom, the boom. Also the fact of, Batman, when they always did those comic strips. And also, also in rodeo, they said something about all of that, whipping and all of that stuff. So they were very influenced with that back in the 1970s during the disco era. So striking with a purpose is what whacking is all about. So, simple, basic. Stance right over here, okay? Make sure you always have this groove going. Pop the chest, okay? And then from here, all you guys are gonna do is I usually use 2 fingers, or you can use your whole hands, it's your option, okay? But make sure there's a lot of energy throughout your whole entire thing. So make sure it's very elongated. So you guys are gonna go to the back, to the front, side, in. Back, front, side. 2 more. Back, front, side, and back, front, side. And eventually you can speed it up, so it's going to be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If you see this, the groove from this angle, and it keeps going. You can even change whatever you need to do. You can even change angles if you want to. Okay, so experiment. Do what you gotta do. And that's how you do the basic